experience the magical beauty of Sri Lanka's iconic nine-arch bridge like never before. This stunning architectural marvel, surrounded by tea plantation in Kamalawa and a blanket of stars, glowing brilliantly with colorful lights. Let's go.
A traditional cultural Asian country. A country with amazing heritage. A beautiful sea area. This country is an iconic of world tourists. Visit Sri Lanka.
Travel to Sri Lanka.
Hi guys, today we are going to give an amazing experience. Nine-arch bridge. This is magical beauty, iconic Sri Lanka. This bridge was an amazing experience these days, glowing brilliant with the colorful lights. In this video we capture the breathtaking night views, the gentle ambience and the peaceful charm that makes this bridge a true wonder of engineering and history. Watch as the famous nine-arch bridge in Sri Lanka transforms into magical sight under the night sky. We take you on a visual journey of historic railway bridge glowing with colorful lights, surrounded by the peaceful sounds of the hill country. Perfect for travel lovers, train, and one who enjoys breathtaking night views. So guys, I think you got this amazing place. If you hope to visit Sri Lanka, you should visit this nine-arch bridge in See you again next video.